Welcome to our Teacher Tools Online with ExamView video training lessons. Our first tutorial is how to download the ExamView application from Teacher Tools Online to your computer. To ensure what you are teaching has a bank of questions available, be sure to check the availability chart listed on the bjupress.com website. Simply scroll down a little until you see Teacher Tools Online and click on the panel. On this page, scroll down a little bit more and click on the Review TTO Resources chart. Once here, you can see what subjects and grades have question banks available for ExamView. If you have already downloaded the application, you can skip this video and watch the next one if so desired. First, we need to log into our account to view all of the resources that are available to you on Teacher Tools Online. Now that we are logged in, make sure you have selected the Resources menu option, desired grade, subject, and edition. Scroll down to the Resource Library and click on the ExamView Assessments. On the right, you will see two options available to download, Mac or PC. Click on the blue Details button to open the resource. Next, select the Download button to begin downloading the application on your computer. Make sure you follow the prompts as the application is being downloaded. Once the ExamView application has been downloaded, find the ExamView installer package and simply double-clicking on it, and it will guide you through the process of installing it on your computer. Now you can begin creating your assessments. To learn more about creating assessments with ExamView, be sure to watch a short tutorial video at turningtechnologies.com/examview/video-tutorials. Our next video tutorial is how to export an assessment from ExamView into the Canvas LMS platform. Thanks for watching, and God bless.